the land of Five Rivers.
And remember the history between these two men. They've gone back and forth for months. Can Henry run the gauntlet? Can he knock off Khali? We'll find out next on Main Event. Henry has to go face to face with the great Khali, another former world champion.
As the great gorilla would say, the unstoppable force against the immovable object.
Khali chants ringing through the O2, and John, you're a bit shaken over there.
I admire what Mark Henry's doing. I think this is great for him.
Well, he better run the gauntlet, because if he's not successful against Khali, I don't think he's going to take too kindly of you sucking him into this match tonight.
Michael, please, come on. I didn't suck Mark Henry into anything. I didn't goad him into anything. It was his idea. He wanted to fight 4 people and do something historic on Main Event. And I love it that we're giving this to the WWE Universe. Oh!
By the way, spoken like a true Texas politician.
You should know, you live down there in Texas.
Oh! And Khali. And Mark Henry has not been able to get on the offense here in the early going.
And Michael, they're not all crooked in Texas, just the ones in office.
Hornswoggle and Natalya love it. I do got to give you credit, though. Heck of a bunch of matches here you put together tonight.
Oh, thank you.
Right to the hamstring. And the big man is down.
I'm just doing my part, Michael.
And now Mark Henry.
Just glad to be one little cog on the wheel.
Stalking the great Khali.
Just part of the team, that's me. Team player.
There's no I in team. And Mark
Who would
Henry
spell it with I? Where'd you go, to Syracuse?
looking to put away Khali and run the gauntlet here tonight on WWE's Main Event. And I don't care who you are, who your opponents are. If you can win 4 straight matches, that is an unreal accomplishment.
Especially ending up against the great Khali.
And Henry doing a great job grounding Khali, really working on his left leg. And Hornswoggle and Natalya, the Punjabi princess, trying to get Khali back into this thing. It must have been this big boot from the great Khali that had Mark Henry second guessing. And then this chop here looked as if it was going to put Mark Henry away, but somehow Henry was able to kick out. The next chop, though, Henry would roll out of the ring and walk away from this matchup, unable to run the gauntlet tonight because he chose not to go on.